Hey guys, we are still at the Mecum auction in Kissimmee 2025, January of 2025, and we're going to take a look at some really cool cars you won't see every day on the road. First one here is a 1970 Lamborghini Miura P400S, chassis number 3685. It's only one of 6 produced in Verde Menra, displayed at the 2011 Concourse. Check this thing out. Nice thing about Lamborghini is Lamborghinis can come in any color you want, any color of the rainbow. They're not as stiffy as Ferrari is. So check this out. This is just a sweet 1970 Lamborghini Miura with real knockoff wheels. We're gonna pass right by the 1970 Plymouth Superbird owned by Richard Petty because we already covered that in another video. Go check that out. Here is another, what one is this? This is a 74 Ferrari Dino 246 GTS. A metallic reddish maroon color. Very cool. It's got a brown saddle interior to it, and that's pretty nifty. All right guys, let's go check out some more.